touching that.
You're not touching it?
No, I'm not touching.
Take your hand from off of the camera.
Yes, guys, that is me. I was invited to a career day here in Jamaica, and it was very interesting to see police officers, nurses, hairdressers, and a lot more of our workers here supporting the students in guiding them into the career path that they should take. But one of the most important or interesting part that stood out to me was when I saw the bones, when I saw the hearse pulling. Oh no, I could not resist the urge to go to that booth and to check it out and to see what was happening over there. But before I get to that, I was invited as a content creator. So what I did, I spoke to all the grades 1 to 6, and I spoke about age appropriate things, inspiring and very educational things. I cover the introduction to content creation, explain what content creation is, and I would show them examples on my channel as well. And I also encourage the students' creativity and their passion, you know, what it is that they love, what do they love to do. And I also spoke to them about the basics of creating safe and positive content. Being responsible online, setting limits, and know when to take a break. Because with content creation, you have to know when it's time to back away for a little while and when it's time it is to pull back. Guys, I truly enjoy my experience. So let me just share this small content with you of what I took at the booth.
This is a real human. So this is how I do it. Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. You know that I am your lady Tania, and today I was invited to the career day. But this is a very interesting thing that I've seen. I have seen some bones. So guys, come with me and let us look at some bones. That's it. Then I saw them. So guys, look at the bones. And the children, they are very excited to see the bones of a human skeleton. So what happened to the toes? They're missing. The toes are missing? Alright guys, they said that the toes are missing. Also, they have a casket. What's the name of the parlor? Oh, Patmore's Funeral Home. So guys, Patmore Funeral Home attending the career day. And this is very fun and interesting. Of course it's fun. You're learning. You're learning, aren't you learning? Oh, so other funeral stuff over here. What are these? So we used to cut up the body? Yeah. Oh. So these are the things that they used to embalm.
So this is the embalming fluids, these two.
The embalming fluids.
Yeah. These are the needles, so they inject them.
You inject the bodies?
Yeah. Like places where the machine can't reach,
yes.
You use this smaller one to do it.
Okay.
And then you have the overall mask, gloves, cotton,
yes.
Stuff the nose and the mouth.
Yes.
And then the sheet to cover the body.
Okay.
Yeah. Different design of program.
How you normally cover the body? As you collect the body, that's the first.
The body is coming wrapped in a sheet. So after we have finished taking the body from the fridge and embalm,
yes.
Use this to cover after.
Okay.
Different designs of program with markers, buttons.
Yes.
And the name tags.
To name the body.
Right.
Alright. So guys, The injection thing to inject the body. Where's the embalming machine? Oh, so that's an embalming machine.
Yeah, so these are the things that is connected to.
What embalm means?
Embalming is when you remove the blood.
Yes.
With food. So they preserve the body.
Oh.
So the body doesn't rot.
Okay. So it lasts long. It can go up to thousands of years because the blood has been removed.
The body just keep on shrinking and shrinking and shrinking.
Yes, yes. How they get what? Oh, people normally die naturally. It depends. There's a lot of ways somebody can die. Oh. They're asking how the person died.
Not sure.
We're not sure how the person died. What they found? The bones? Oh, so the bones were found in Trelawney. The remains. Cause the boy touched the something. Boy put on his head. Yeah. Yes, it's a human skull.
You're brave, though.
What? Yeah, the embalm the body. Alright, so guys, this was a very interesting opportunity to see what they have going on here on career day. What? No, go wash your hands. Just wash your hands because they are bones.
What are the subjects required? If I'm interested.
Science subjects? Only that? Oh.
Every science subject? Yeah.
Yes, yes. Okay.
So guys, becoming a mortician in Jamaica involves several steps, including formal education, training, and obtaining the necessary licenses. And let me just give you a little bit more information. First thing you need to do is to understand the role of a mortician. Morticians, they're also known as funeral directors or undertakers, and they're responsible for preparing deceased bodies for burial or cremation and organizing funeral services. The job requires a combination of technical, interpersonal, and business skills. Educational requirements might include biology or anatomy, business or management, counseling, or psychology. You can also travel overseas where you might specialize in mortuary science. If you love this career field, you can seek apprenticeship opportunities at a funeral home in Jamaica to gain hands-on experience. This training helps you learn the practical aspects of embalming, funeral planning, and body preparation. In Jamaica, funeral homes and morticians must comply with local health and safety regulations. You have to check with the Ministry of Health or relevant authorities for licensing requirements. If required, pass examinations or meet specific criteria to qualify for a license. Once you're qualified, you can work for an existing funeral home or start your own business. Guys, I am feeling so loved to be invited to this career day. But for now, this is where we end. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. Bye.
Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of